Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern, and this is a voice pattern and reverse rectangle triangle pattern. And we used nested for loop to understand or build up the code. So firstly we declare two variables that is used for nested for loop. So we declare I and j variable, and I variable is used for outer for loop and j variable is used for inner loop. So firstly we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we take three parameter. Firstly we initialize I variable, so I equals to 5, and check condition if I greater than equals to 1 and I decrement to 1. And inside this outer for loop we create another loop that is called inner loop, and in this inner loop we also take three parameter. Firstly we initialize j variable, j equals to 1, and check condition if j less than equals to I and j increment to 1. And inside this inner for loop we print the wo pattern variable that is I. Because this is a voice pattern, so we always print the outer loop variable that is I inside this inner loop, and outside this inner loop we used backslash and for cursor to the next line. When completing each row, cursor will move to the next line because backslash n is the new line. Backslash n is used for new line. So when you compile this program there is no errors and it will be successfully compiled. When you run this program the accurate output is shown as below. So if you have any doubt related this pattern, you can text me in the comment section, because it is the simplest and efficient way to understand or build up this pattern. And I hope you all guys really enjoyed this. Like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching. Have a great day and boost up your career in Python domain. Thank you. I know one